Have you ever wondered how financial analysts summarize a stock's performance in just a few lines? What if I told you that now AI can do the same in seconds and you can build it yourself? Welcome to this full walkthrough on building your very own financial research agent powered by OpenAI and real-time market data. I am Chetan Karhalkar, and with over 18 years of experience in IT and 8 years specializing in AI, ML, and data, I'm here to guide you step by step. In this video, I'll walk you through a live demo, explain the architecture behind the scenes, and finally dive deep into the entire code base so you can build, deploy, and scale this AI driven stock analysis tool yourself. Let's kick off with a quick demo. I'll enter the stock ticker symbol MSFT, that's Microsoft, and hit analyze. Watch what happens next. Behind the scenes, this triggers a backend API call that fetches Microsoft's latest stock price and wraps that into an intelligent query to OpenAI. The result? An AI generated financial insight that sounds like it was written by a Wall Street analyst. And you can do this for any stock: Apple, Tesla, Google. Just type the ticker and you get an instant breakdown. Let's unpack how this app actually works behind the curtain. Here's a clean look at the architecture. 1. It all begins with the user. Someone types in a ticker symbol on the front end. 2. That input is sent to the backend API, which we built using FastAPI in Python. Lightweight, fast, and perfect for this use case. 3. The backend hits a financial data source like Alpha Vantage or Yahoo Finance API and fetches the latest stock price and metadata. For that data is now packaged into a natural language prompt and sent to OpenAI's GPT model. The AI analyzes the price, context, and market trend and returns a smart, friendly insight. 5. The backend captures the AI response and sends it back to the front end, where it's displayed inside a styled result box. This workflow is scalable, explainable, and modular, exactly how you want an AI assistant to be. The entire source code is available in the GitHub repo. You'll notice two main folders: Frontend and Backend. The frontend is built with React and Vite for fast development and smooth transitions. The backend is pure Python, powered by FastAPI, OpenAI, and a RESTful API structure. The beauty is that this design is fully decoupled. You can deploy the frontend on Netlify or Vercel and the backend on Render, Railway, or even locally on Docker. Let's dive into the front-end code first. In the main app.jsx file, we are working with a simple structure. We define a state to store the ticker, capture input changes using a form handler, and send a post request to the backend on button click. Notice this fetch function. It sends the stock ticker to analyze on our API, waits for the response, and then sets the analysis to state so it renders automatically. In terms of styling, you can use plain CSS or Tailwind to make the results visually appealing. If you want to add animation or loading spinners, this is the place to plug them in. One line of user input, one button click, and the user gets AI powered insight. Here's where the heavy lifting happens. In main.py, we define a post endpoint analyze that takes a ticker as input. Inside the handler, we call a helper method analyze stock data, which first pulls the stock's latest data. Then it dynamically constructs a prompt like the latest closing price for MSFT is $479 for days. Provide an investment insight. This prompt is sent to OpenAI chatCompletion.create and we instruct the model to act like a financial analyst. This is where prompt engineering comes in. Tuning this prompt gives you more formal, casual, or risk-focused responses depending on the context you want. Let's do a quick recap. Step 1. The user enters a ticker. Step 2. The backend fetches the stock data and builds a prompt. Step 3. GPT responds with an insightful summary. Step 4. The result is displayed in the UI real time. From end to end, this architecture gives you a real-world use case of how AI can augment financial workflows. And the best part, you can extend this. Add sentiment scores, portfolio summaries, risk profiling, even voice-based input. So there you have it, a fully working financial research agent that speaks fluent stock market, powered by OpenAI. If this inspired you, check out the GitHub repo linked below. You can clone it, customize it, and make it your own. Like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more AI agent tutorials, and let me know in the comments what stock should I build next. Until next time, keep building with intelligence.